question. Does this model allow us to determine what is the most important driver for price sensitivity? Arjan?
Yeah, I like these yes or no questions. Also here, the answer is yes. I think one of the interesting things we see, especially in B2B, that you have a lot of discussions from sales that for some product the competition is most important, or for some is the brand most important. So I think the price sensitivity model offers a great tool to make this more data driven, proven by data, and that you can really validate these gut feelings with a model to see what's the most important driver. So yeah, the answer is yes for this one as well, and this is a perfect application of the sensitivity model to help you in the discussions internally what could be the most important driver.